Last week, I posted a video about using nail decals for Christmas ornaments, and we painted 2 different trees with watercolors, finishing them with flower and mushroom nail stickers. At the time, I didn't have any Christmas-themed designs, but now I have plenty, as you can see, and I wanted to provide an update with some more options for this fun and easy project. I'll be linking part 1 in the description of this video in case you missed it. My daughter and I made these together. We had a great time piecing together these winter scenes, and I think the iridescent stars that we added to the strings are such a nice touch. For these trees, I used my metallic Sharpies for strands of garland. These 2 single baubles are my favorite. I'm always a fan of cute holiday gnomes, and I love the look of the deep purple and red paired with the deer and the night sky. I'll have links in the description to the products I used, but as you can see, any decals you have on hand will work just fine. I hope you give this quick holiday art project a try and have as much fun as we did. Thanks so much for watching!